Okay, just a very quick update. I just thought I'd show you one there. We've done that one over there, this one here. I think there's another one just down here somewhere. But also, I've took all the foam out now in the back here. And I want to show you this, so I need to have a look at this. I'll just flip this round. So we know this one here. There you go, that's quite a big one. That's going to be done. All this side's clean, so I'm going to get a Dremel and clean all that. Oh, there we go. Can you see him? Yeah, there you go. Look at that one. So I've got to get a Dremel and we've got to clean all around that area, which I'm not worried about. Because once this is done, I'll give it a bit more of a clean yet. And then once this is done, I mean, I don't know why that is up so high. Because if you look at the channel is, so there's your channel running along. It hits a bit of foam, and then it's got to be at least a 2-inch difference. So it doesn't serve anything. It doesn't look. You see what I mean? This is the bottom of this is the bottom here. So the distance has got to be from there to here, 2 inches. So it's not doing anything. But there we go. So all this is cool. This will come up. And we'll have a look what's underneath there. Anything rubbish will come out. We'll clean all that off. So you're going to be a nice little bit of. Well, that's fine. That's okay. Nice bit of kit. We've got a load more fiberglass have come, which I've ordered. So we'll do the whole of this. We'll clean all this off. In a more better environment where it's got rain, so we can open the door. Make sure we don't. We got masks and everything, so make sure you have that. Also, the fiberglass kit I've bought, there's a very good stipulating warning that it could cause sort of ill side effects, including internal organ damage. So you must do breathing apparatus, and even better do it outside, which is what we'll do when the weather is just going to get a little bit better. So this is where we are up to so far. Tonight I will probably get the Dremel out, put a mask on, and get these clean, and then at the weekend we'll drop some fiberglass in there, and I'll keep you posted with that. This is part of the video. Alright, that one, that's quite a big one. So I'm going to put a long patch all the way on the inside here. I might have to go back a bit more yet, I think. But we're going to put a whole one on the inside anyway, and on the outside, and that one. And then next on the inside of here. Okay, hi folks, just a quick update on what we've done already. Well, no, this is going to be a continuation. Remember we had a big crack in this and it was missing? Look at that. And it's smooth. It looks like it hasn't got a crack in it. That idea that we used, using the pieces of wood to glue, we've got a bit more to finish off on that bit there, but that's all. He's run out now, this green, so it's all smooth, it's all beautiful. You won't see this when it's got a top coat on it, and then what we're going to do to it. Okay, that big bit in the corner, he's nearly finished repairing that. So it's all done. This is the top. All beautiful and smooth. We've also carried on, let me just show you, with a few patches, which not enough yet. We just put them in. We're using 450 gram fiberglass. One there, remember the big ones? That one. I think that was it for now. And then we're going to have a look. We're going to have a quick look now at the back here, and we're going to start grinding them. And remember that big hole there? I'm going to start grinding that, just getting it clean. And the same with that one there. I think that's that there. No, it's just that. And that one there, which is at the back. Okay. If we can get in there with this. Okay, that looks like it's doing the biz. There we go. So I'm going to carry on with that. I don't want to damage my phone, and I'll come back to it in a bit. Okay, not finished yet, but we're not far off. And then cleaning it all, so I've got wearing a mask. It's a bit muffled, and that one there. So we'll give it a hoover to clean out, and we'll get some fiberglass ready. See that? A bit clear. It looks like it's not, it's dark in the middle, it's not, because that's the hole. So I've got another couple of patches, put one on there. And where is it? Another one there, but it's sealed, that's the main thing. So wait for them to dry, then we'll put a few more on top. And then we'll start on the underneath. But remember, this is not it's not a professional job, it's just a bit of a tender to get to the bigger boat, or just to do a bit of fishing in. So that's all we're doing it for. So here we go. All right, so catch you in the next vid. All the best. Bye.